Look at this backyard. To you, it probably looks like a bunch of wild bushes and common flowers. But to me, it's 50,000 calories of survival food. Here's the scary truth. If a food crisis hits and the grocery shelves go empty, having a traditional vegetable garden in neat rows doesn't make you safe. It makes you a target. Today, I'm going to teach you the concept of stealth gardening. How to grow a secret emergency food supply right under your neighbor's noses without them ever knowing. We all see the news. Inflation is up. Supply chains are breaking. Everyone wants to be self-reliant. But I had a problem. I live in a neighborhood with an HOA, homeowners association, and nosy neighbors. I couldn't just plow up my front yard and plant corn. They'd fine me instantly. Plus, I worried. If things get really bad, a visible garden is like a billboard saying, "Free food here." I wanted food security, not unwanted attention. I tried growing in pots inside, but it wasn't enough to feed my family. I needed a better way to grow massive calories outdoors without raising suspicion. Then I found a guide on stealth survival gardening. It completely changed how I look at plants. It taught me about edible landscaping and camouflage crops. Did you know there are plants that look like decorative vines but produce high-calorie tubers underground? Or that you can plant certain superfoods that look exactly like common weeds. Most people would walk right past them, but they could save your life in an emergency. This wasn't just gardening, it was strategic layout design. Using nature to hide your food supply in plain sight. I implemented the plan. Now my yard looks like a normal, slightly overgrown landscape. But hidden in there are sweet potatoes, Jerusalem artichokes, and berry bushes. I have enough food growing to survive for months, and nobody has a clue. My HOA is happy because it looks green, and I sleep better at night knowing my pantry is growing outside, safe from looters. It's the ultimate insurance policy. Low maintenance, high yield, and completely invisible. If you want to know which specific plants to grow for stealth and see the layout diagrams for a secret survival garden, I've linked the full guide in the description below. It covers everything from gray man gardening to calorie-dense crops. Protect your family and your food supply. Click the link and start your stealth garden today before the shelves go empty.